Hello guys, Supra caliper decals. Let's put them on.
So nice. Yes, yes.
Well, there we have it. That's how you put on the decals on the calipers. Not hard, very easy. Leaving work right now, and damn, the car looks really good when it's lowered. Check this out. How mean does the car look when it's lowered? I mean, stance is everything. And I'm not like a whole like stretch tire, big wheel, wide stance type of guy with like the air suspension. I mean, if that's your thing, that's cool. I mean, this is a track car. I take it to the track and I drive it daily, but the stance on this freaking car is perfect. All right. The Supra logo on the brake calipers, I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the way it came out. It looks good, it's sharp looking, but now I'm second guessing myself. I'm thinking I should have ordered decals that said Brembo on them because the brakes are Brembos. This is where you guys come in. What color should I get the Brembo writing in? White vinyl, black, possibly I can get like a dark shade of silver or a gray to maybe match the car. What do you guys out there think I should do? I mean, in the meantime, I'm gonna rock the Supra logo on the calipers, just like how Porsche has, you know, Porsche written on their calipers. Let me know what you guys think. And I am going to fill you in on what's going on with my E92 M3. I ordered some goodies, so stay tuned for that. Peace.